Hello there, Cosmo here. This video, I would like to talk to you about two tools we have available for improving your quality of life and performance while working in Blender. First of all, Simplify Plus, which is an add-on that enables you not only to simply decrease the subdivisions of your models and improve your playback performance, but also all the other modifiers available in Blender. In this case, we are seeing this guy playing at 12 frames per second. And of course, you could just decrease the subdivisions to 0. It helps a lot. But you will see that the shape, the silhouette of your model might change a lot. And sometimes you are animating and you want to retain the shape as much as you can while improving your performance. So in this case, we are going to take a look at some of the features we have available in Simplify Plus. For example, I want to take a look what is causing that. What is causing this drag in the performance? So in the Simplify Plus, you can expand this section here and take a look at this little button. If you press it, the add-on will scan the file and want to show you exactly all the modifiers you have being used at this current point in the viewport. So now you are seeing many more modifiers saying, hey, you can turn me off if you want. And here you see some red ones. You can see geometry nodes, which usually is expensive modifier, and bevel. So it's a good clue bevel might be destroying your performance. And I'm just gonna press this and you see the performance much improved on your viewport, right? We are not exactly at 24, we are touching there, but we could also disable other modifiers that might be dragging your performance. Geometry nodes, let's try. Okay, it helps, but it's changing too much the appearance of my model. I will keep that and I will explore other ones. Let's say, what about weighted normal? Helped a lot. Here I'm retaining the shape of my model while having my performance improved. So this is Simplify Plus in a nutshell. This is how we've been using this tool to improve our playback performance non-destructively. Let's take a look how this model was built to see if that add-on will actually help your workflow. If you take a look, this model is made by many separated parts. And I know not everybody build their rigs like that. Some people merge stuff and don't use modifiers. For example, let's take a look at this chest. Let me isolate that because this is only one part of my model, and go to the modifiers tab. And as you can see, I have some geometry nodes here at the beginning. Let's turn it off. Of course, I have the armature to deform this mesh. The subdivision we know, but change the shape a lot. So we have add split, we have solidify as well. As you can see, this model is built by many modifiers on top of each other. Every modifier you add on the stack will drain resources, will take time to evaluate. So now imagine for all these objects, we have plenty of modifiers on top of each other, and the more I have, more resources, computational resources I need to calculate, to evaluate. If you like to work non-destructively like we do, probably Simplify Plus will save you a lot of energy, a lot of time, and it will improve your workflow and performance a lot. Let's say you don't work like that. You don't work with modifier stacks and you want to optimize your scenes. All right, then Proxify Plus can come here to rescue. We are going to create a new proxy job by clicking this little button here. Let me add a color, a blue color, just to see in a glance the collection it will create. And let's add our rig as a source. And now generate proxy and see what's going to happen. There we are. Proxify Plus has created a new collection for you. It has hidden the originals that are here safe and sound. So if I want to switch back to the original, I can click this P button. And now I'm seeing the originals again. And here I'm seeing the proxy. Proxify Plus is taking all the related objects to the rig, duplicating them, creating a new collection, and batch decimating them. So creating this low resolution mesh for you. And this is much more easy for your computer to handle. And you can keep animating, iterating, creating your animations from here, from the low poly version one, because all these changes will reflect back on the original one. And here is a little bit draggy, a little bit heavy, and here is much more performant. You could also, instead of keeping these objects separated, you could try checking this joined siblings one. It will see direct objects related to the source rig and will try to merge these objects together. At the moment, we are seeing them separated as the originals. So let's try to regenerate again and see what's going to happen. Let's regenerate. And now we are seeing basically all this mesh joining together in one, which can also reduce cost of evaluation. In case you don't work with modifiers a lot, that could be one way to improve your quality life and performance, creating proxies of your rig setups. So this is Proxify in a nutshell. And I would like to say that we have a deal. If you buy Proxify Plus, you're going to have 50% discount on Simplify Plus, and vice versa. If you buy Simplify, you have 50% discount on Proxify Plus. And this is for Gumroad only, all right? I hope you can work better, happier, and faster in Blender. See you soon. Ciao.